Okay, so hi guys, today we're going to do an unboxing. This is a Xiaomi Mi Home security camera 360 1080p. Okay, so it's a CCTV. Okay, so this is a two-way communication. What else? Full color with low light, multi-speed playback. What else? HD, 360 panoramic, infrared night vision, and movement detection. So, ito ay Mi Home Security Camera 360 degree. So, pwede siyang mag-rotate ng 360 of course. This is manufactured by Xiaomi, if I'm not mistaken on how I'm, what's this? Pronouncing it right. And we've ordered this in an online shop. I think in noon.com. So this works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant. Okay, so let's open it. Literal na unboxing siya, di ba? Okay, just wait. Let's get a scissor. Okay. So here's the small scissor. Unbox kung unbox. Kasi meron kaming before CCTV na Clever Dog, pero it was with us for like 2 years. Pero nasira siya dahil natabig ni Kuya. So we have one box here, which includes, okay, so instruction materials, of course, and then an accessory pang wall mount or wherever you want to put it. Tapos ang kanyang cable, of course. Here's the cable. Let's see how long it is. Oh, I think this is like 1.5 meter to 2 meters. Oh, so it's good, yeah. And then next is, of course, the thing. Okay. Whoa, it looks so nice. Sleek. Oh wow, diba? Looks so good. Churut, churut. So here we have the speaker, we have the reset button, and the USB port. And dito mo ilalagay itong pang wall mount. What else? That's it, I guess. And here is the SD card. Ayan. So, let's try to plug it on. Okay, so let's connect and see what's gonna happen. Ayun, nagkaroon na siya ng orange light. And then, I've downloaded also the app. We've downloaded the app Mi Home. And then, kakaset up ko lang siya. So, now I need to put the, oh, it's rotating now.
Scan code to pair device.
Okay. So
waiting for connection.
Let's first set this one up. Okay. And then save. Mi Home, location, storage. Let's select it all. Next. Of course, allow. Using the
waiting for connection.
Allow. Just wait lang. Okay. Let's sign in. So let's do create account first. Just wait for a while. I'll be back. Okay, so let's start.
Waiting for connection.
Here, so waiting for connection na siya nung naka-connect na siya. And then here, you need to hold the reset button for about 3 seconds. So let's press it. 1, 2, 3.
Reset complete.
Reset complete.
Device booting.
Okay.
Please wait.
So next. Okay, here's the password. I need to put the password. Okay. Next. We have a barcode here. So I think i-scan niya siya. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ayan, nagro-rotate siya. O, diba, bongga?
Scan code to pair device.
Scan code.
Waiting for connection.
Okay, let's just wait until makita niya ang kanyang barcode. Siguro ikot muna siya ng isang beses bago niya mahanap ang ating barcode. Ay, naku, nag-stop ang lola mo.
Code scanned successfully.
Ayan,
Connecting.
successfully
Please
na.
wait.
So, we need to do this.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed device online.
Ayan, so dapat mag-blue-blue pala siya. Ayan, connected to network na siya. Doon tayo, nagka-problema kanina. Kasi, I didn't wait na connected, connected successfully, tapos in-exit ko na yung scan. Okay, so select room, of course. Let's try living room. Doon nandito pa ako sa bedroom dahil nagko-connect ako. Next, video camera, find device. That's no problem. Next. Okay. Only share this device, share the home. After sharing, all family members will be okay. So, later ko na yan i-share. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Oh, there I am. Okay. So, let's see here. Okay. Ayan. So, it is rotating. If you can see. Ayan. So, it's up and down. And then, it can be, of course, 360. Okay. So, ayan. Okay. What else? Okay. Here it goes. Hi. So, that's it. And then, of course, there is, ayan, ang kanyang, if you want to talk and all. So, full screen. Exit full screen. Where is it? Let's exit the screen. Okay. And then, where is the settings? Let's see the settings. Okay. So, here, may playback din siya and may surveillance. So, playback dun sa SD card, pero I don't think I need to put SD card pa siya. No need na siguro. Home monitoring. Okay. What else? Where's the settings? Record audio, allow. And then, what else? Video quality, of course, auto. Let's put to 1080. Let's see this one. Turn off the camera. Nope. Nope, nope. Nope, I don't want how to do it. Okay, then here we have the devices. Okay, here. Asan ang ating settings? We have the 3 dot up. Okay, here, 3 dot. We have the camera settings. Status light. I think yung status light niya is, let's turn it off. Sleep settings. There's scheduled sleep time. So, no need. Sleep. Huwag na natin siyang pag-sleepin. Work lang siyang work. Image setting, timestamp, no need. Lens distortion, wide, dynamic range mode. So, normal mode and wide. Okay, so let's just put it in normal mode. And then, rotate image. Ayan, nag-rotate siya. So, cancel natin siya. What else? Night vision settings. Okay, full color with low light. So, let's enable that. Switch automatically. Infrared and normal mode. Okay, pag may infrared, of course. Pag night. Camera calibration. Camera is sleep mode. No need. What else? So, I think that's it. Oh, camera is in sleep mode. Let's, where is it? Sleep settings. No need to sleep. Okay, what else? Home monitoring, surveillance, manage storage. I'm not gonna put SD card. I don't have to record it. Album, share device. Yes, I'm gonna share it later to my other device. Kasi ito kay Boy ito. General settings, device name, manage locations, firmware updates, more settings, time zone. No need. Legal information, that's it. So, I think that's it for our Xiaomi. So, as of now, I can see it's good. The what do you call this? Maganda yung pagkakalabas ng kanyang video. Hindi siya yung blurry. So, I think this is a good deal. Lalo na kung yung mga anak nyo, especially now that is online homeschool, both kami ni Boy at nag-work. So, si Ate G ang naiiwan dito. Syempre, hindi naman yung matutukan si Caleb kasi andyan din si Lance, yung aming bunso. So, we need this. Kasi kung minsan naghang yung laptop ni Caleb, so he needs to talk to us. And we can monitor kung anong ginagawa niya. Minsan kasi nakataas yung paa niya, ganyan. Without him knowing it. So, we need to tell na, Belle, baba mo yung iyong kamay. So, that's it. So, ayan. That's it for our review on the, what do you call this? MI Home Security Camera 360 degree 1080p. So, that's it. It's a good thing. So, the one that you're going to download pala here is the MI Home. So, that's the one. This is the app that will be connected on this device. Okay. So, thank you guys. Hope you like my unboxing and my review for this camera. See you in our next vlog.